They say that in life you can dream and you can live. And in the visions of your dreams you breathe and see things in a different aspect than life itself. Melt into the feeling, the herb garden, the smells, the birds, the insects. Life is fleeting. Take your chances for adventure. Find your inner awe, your peace. Walk unguided. Feel strong for others when possible. And never forget who you are. In Japan is where I will find myself. With visions such as these that I share with you, I hope I can create something lasting in your mind for your own path to follow.